Oh yeah, just kind of an addition on to the last little quick devlog. So this would just be a really, really itty bitty tiny one. I got my combat system, I think, flowing really well and structured in a way that's easy to do all kinds of stuff. So I just wanted to, I guess, update, I suppose. I've done a lot of changing. There's been a lot of stuff. Like for example, like this entire equipment system is now. I'm still working on the art and filling in some data, but I can use this to buy equipment and everything now. That's fully operational. I've got some debugging stuff just to make life a little easier, and when I do that, I skip a few things, but I can put on my gear. This gear I got tweaked out, so it gives me like an insane amount of armor, like armor rating at 22. But anyways, that's not what I'm gonna. I mean, I guess it could be part of what I'm showing you. The map system. There's going to be a fog of war on this. But anyways, just to show you a bit of the basics of this now. Now, I haven't put a whole lot of variation yet into it. I'm currently working on that, but it's a very straightforward process now. So they're attacking. So depending on their attack, which one they choose, like it tries to be as descriptive as possible. It gives me options based on my skills, my weapons, so forth. I can try to do a dodge, you know, and it does a little dodge. I have options of attacks based on my skills, my levels, my classes, and the gear I'm using. So I'm going to attack. It pulls out various descriptions on that. I did a big swing and a miss because apparently that's just the way shit goes. They do attack. If I parry, these health bars down here for all my armor will actually drop, so my weapons can break. Now, because I did an attack last time, even though I missed, I gotta fix that. I can now choose a different. I can choose the same attack, or that specific attack has a combination. So it opened up the combination, which can do various other things. And that's one of those things that I got to kind of expand on, but it's there. It's all working, right? So there I smacked his armor. That's why the blue bar went down. I still got to adjust these bars and put them somewhere else, right? So yeah, he smacked me. I don't have that other option, but I can choose this attack now. And all those attacks, they'll like there's kind of a baseline of attacks for the weapons, but then there's different attacks based on maybe you parry, maybe you block, depending on their attacks. If they did an aggressive attack and it was whatever, it will open up various attacks, and depending on more or less the rarity of the attack, it will actually change the color to help you see which attacks are really good. Like the basic kind of light blue ones are your normal attacks. The dark blue ones are more of a combo attack. But if I'm playing, say, a rogue, I might have a bunch of weak base attacks, but based on dodging, to land a dodge, which I didn't land there, it might open up really heavy damaging attacks here, but I'd have to dodge. But it might open up it might open up other attacks here, which are a combination that can feed into really damaging attacks, or whatever the case is, right? So this attack list alters based on my actions, my previous attacks, all my gear and all that, but they also alter based on what the enemy's doing and their attacks and their positions. You know, if I land a stun or something like that, they obviously miss the turn, but I'll get special attacks based on all of my stuff. So that's kind of how this combat system is looking right now. I just thought I would show that. And if I had a shield, I'd also have the option to block, which I'd have shield health and it would take damage. All still in the process of getting worked on. So there we have a small update.